Welcome to Carrie's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken biryani. Who doesn't like chicken and rice? This dish was inspired by chicken biryani, a traditional dish from India and Iran. I'm not making traditional chicken biryani, I'm just making it my own. Chicken marinated from the night before, added some fried onions, some peppers, tomatoes, sauteing some potatoes. I cut the potatoes quite chunky because I didn't want it to melt, so I wanted it to still hold its form. Adding in the chicken, making sure it stews and browns, all the goodies in there. I let the chicken cook in its own juices without adding any water. Time to cook the basmati with these spices, sauteed in a pan, and then add some hot water. And then after that, you add the rice. The rice has to be cooked halfway, strained, before adding it to the sauce. Alright, gently spread the rice over the sauce. You don't want to mix the rice with the sauce at this point. You just want it to be over the sauce. And then you steal in the steam. And the steam is what is going to cook the rice. Look at all those flavors coming together. So I topped my rice with some ghee I made and some fried onions. And there we are. It's ready. Hope you tried this recipe. Until next time, bon appetit!